Seeing mostly cloudy skies in the area right now, but just to the south of us, we are seeing a rain system begin to push off east, but this portion of this rain system will begin to affect us as we move into tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be seeing widespread rain, but for now we're just seeing mostly cloudy skies across the area. Temperatures around the low 40s in most of the area, getting up to the 50s down in Effingham. But as we look at our high temperatures, we didn't get much higher than that. A high temperature of just 50 degrees here in Charleston, although we did get up to 52 degrees down in Effingham, but not very warm today. That's partially due to the winds that were blowing out of the north and will continue to blow out of the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour overnight tonight. And we're not going to cool down much overnight tonight either, because our low temperature is just 50 degrees, which was actually Charleston's high today. But those mostly cloudy skies will be staying with us overnight tonight, but there may be a few chances for some scattered showers overnight, but the real chance for rain will be tomorrow. Here are those chances for scattered showers as we move overnight tonight and eventually into tomorrow morning. But here comes that widespread rain as we move into the morning hours tomorrow. Eventually, this widespread rain will move over our area, some heavier pockets of rainfall falling in the afternoon, in the late afternoon, and this will continue as we move throughout the entire day and into the evening hours. But by the late evening, we'll be left with just mostly cloudy skies, but you will notice there will be a few more chances of rain as we move overnight Friday into Saturday morning. But that rain will clear up for a pretty pleasant weekend. But before we get to that, we're going to see an entire day of rain for your Friday. It will be widespread rain and produce quite a bit of rainfall in certain portions of the viewing area, but temperatures won't warm up too high because our high temperature tomorrow is just 51 degrees. Once again, staying in the low 50s, and that's partially due to the winds that are still blowing out of the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour for your daytime tomorrow. But you'll notice you're seeing over an inch of rain down in Effingham, just about an inch down in Robinson expected for the system, but up north you're seeing just trace amounts of rainfall, so this system will be affecting more of the southern portion of our viewing area as it pushes through the daytime tomorrow, and hopefully it will be improving our drought monitor. But as of now, we're seeing the severe drought begin to shrink across the area, but the extreme drought has begun to spread across the northern portions of the viewing area. We did see rainfall in mostly the southern portion of our viewing area a few days ago, which did improve the conditions for that portion. But up north, we are seeing the extreme drought begin to spread, but more rain is on its way as we move into tomorrow. But after that, we're going to be seeing mostly clear skies for our day on Saturday, a high temperature of 50 degrees on Saturday, so once again, not too warm for your Saturday. But as we make it to Sunday, temperatures are going to warm up a little bit, getting up into the mid-50s, a high temperature of 56 degrees on Sunday under clear sunny skies. So it is going to be a pretty pleasant weekend as we move through it. But starting next work week, there will be another chance of rain, not as widespread as we're seeing tomorrow, but still another chance of rain on Monday, and a drop in temperature of just 49 degrees for your high on Monday. And that drop will indicate what is to come, because we are expecting below average temperatures for the next 6 to 10 days. That average for this time of year is typically in the low 50s. And looking at our 7-day, we're going to see a few temperatures dipping way below that. But before we get to that, we're going to see high temperatures in the 50s for a few days, dipping down to a high temperature of 49 degrees on Monday, with scattered rain showers on that day as well. But as we move into Tuesday and Wednesday, we will see temperatures begin to drop down on Wednesday with a high temperature of 49 degrees on Wednesday with another chance of rain.